Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram bonus payout feature. In 2026, Instagram bonuses are part of seasonal invite-only programs that reward creators for high engagement on reels, photos, and carousels. Unlike standard revenue sharing, bonuses are performance-based milestone you must achieve and you must activate within a specific time frame. Now to activate it and set up, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on your profile icon, head to your professional dashboard, and if eligible, a bonuses title or tile will appear over here. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it. It is not shown in mine because I am yet to be eligible for that criteria. Now once you find that bonus title, go ahead and tap on it. From there, follow the prompts and select activate bonus to agree to the program terms. Then you must have a payout account set up before the bonus period ends. Without one, you can only earn up to 500 per tool before earnings are paused. I hope this video helps you out a lot in your content creation journey, and if you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.